Ladies and gentlemen, this is garlic bread made the Italian way. Garlic bread does not exist in Italy. No, we have bruschetta. So what happens in America, they've turned the bruschetta into garlic bread. But is it done the right way or the wrong way? Why is every Italian restaurant around the world serving garlic bread when it's not Italian? Let's find out together in this video. Yeah. Yes, baby. Hi, and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate, the place where you get to learn how to eat like an Italian. First, you took the bruschetta from Italy, turn it into garlic bread. Then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get the garlic bread back, bring it back to Italy, and I will call it bruschetta all'olio. You ready for this? Garlic bread is not an Italian dish, so I don't know how to make it. I need to learn how to make it. So we're gonna watch this video from the Dinner Bite YouTube channel, and she actually made it in the air fryer. Sounds interesting. Let's see how it's made, and then I can make it the Italian way. It does look like a bruschetta. If this is so popular in Italian restaurants around the world, why would you use baguette and not an Italian bread? Butter. Okay. Easy, garlic, parsley, okay. So she's making a cream. Looks good. We need to keep in mind, your cholesterol level will go so up if you have more than a slice. There's so much butter on that bread. How good can that be? You know, I like to eat bread every day, so this is something I cannot have every day. Air fryer. I never use the air fryer. I'm really interested to try. I might need to buy one. I know it changed lots of people's life. Pretty fast. Okay, they look nice. They look very nice, I have to say. Look, if you say to me, you go to Italian restaurants and they always have garlic bread, or I go to the supermarkets here in Australia and I see garlic bread with the Italian flag on it, then you need to make it an Italian way. I'm sorry, but there's nothing Italian in this. The bread is wrong, too much butter, it's not Mediterranean. So I'm gonna show you how I would make garlic bread, even though I never made it. Let's do it. To make garlic bread like an Italian, very nice and Mediterranean, we need, first of all, ciabatta bread, okay? If you don't buy it, you can make it at home, okay? I've got the recipe on my YouTube channel. It's very popular. Everyone who tried said it's an amazing ciabatta bread. Easy recipe to do. Then we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of pecorino cheese or Parmigiano, 3 garlic cloves, and a nice bunch of chopped parsley. Now, the most important ingredient, we are not gonna use butter. I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil. This is the Mediterranean way. This is how someone in Italy will do it, okay? No butter and no baguette. The first thing we're going to do is to turn the oven on at 200 Celsius, okay? Because we're gonna bake this in the oven. Now, I get this beautiful ciabatta bread over here. It's beautiful, beautiful bread. I made it from scratch. And now what we do here, we cut it in half, okay? Look how beautiful it is inside. Look at this beautiful, beautiful bread in there. I love it, okay? So the bread is cut. Now we have to make the mix to go on the bread. Now, what are we gonna do here, okay? What we're gonna do now is we are going to crush the garlic, nice and fresh. I'm gonna crush this garlic and put it right in there, in a small salad bowl. Crusher is the best thing to use, or you can actually blend it. If you blend it, you're gonna get a nice garlic cream. And here we go. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put a nice generous amount of extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, okay? How much? 8 to 10 tablespoons. Mix, mix, mix. And as we mix, we start to add the parsley and the pecorino cheese. Everything goes in there. Okay, and we mix, mix, mix. And we make a nice cream. See? This is a nice Mediterranean cream, no butter. Look at this beauty. Now we want this to be a little bit more runny, so I'm gonna put more extra virgin olive oil. It's all about feeling these flavors, okay guys? It's all about feeling it. And I'm feeling it needs more extra virgin olive oil. That pecorino is gonna melt in this oil, or parmigiano that you can use. It's gonna melt when you cook it in the oven. It's gonna bring the flavors that you want on your garlic bread. Here we go, baby. We have the cream done in no time. We're going to spread this on our ciabatta bread. All right, so what we're gonna do now first, we're gonna put some extra virgin olive oil on the ciabatta bread, just a little bit, okay? And what we do is we're going to spread it. Just spread the extra virgin olive oil everywhere. Let's make this bottom smooth, spread evenly, okay? Now what we do is we're going to get the mix here that we have, and we start pouring the mix everywhere, okay? Just like that, just like that. Come over here, baby. Come over here. Just put it everywhere. Here we go. Wow, the smell of garlic. Amazing. So much garlic here. Make sure you don't kiss anyone that night when you make this. And now we spread it evenly. We got some garlic going inside the holes here. Make sure you just spread it everywhere. And this is how you make a Mediterranean bruschetta. You can call it garlic bread. Well, this is how you make a garlic bread, guys. Extra virgin olive oil, love and happiness. All right, first one, it's done. You know another way to tell when it's ready? When the kitchen smells fantastic. That means you're ready to eat. As soon as you put the garlic in the oven, the flavors go straight into your nostril. Oh, you need a glass of wine right now, a nice glass of wine. Oh yeah. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, go and check. Let's have a look. Oh, wow, smell. And we just turn them around, okay? Just because we want to make sure they cook evenly. Oh yeah, they're getting crunchier, crunchier. It's been 10 minutes, and what we want to do now is we turn the broiler on, the grill, and for about a minute or two, we want to finish to toast the top part. And then we are ready to eat it. Can you see this, guys? Can you see? I just turned the grill, the broiler on, and it's toasting it. 1 extra minute, and we are ready to go. Can you wait an extra minute? I'm not sure you can. And here we have it, the garlic bread that you have been waiting for. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, listen to the crunch. Listen, crunchy, oily, garlicky, listen. See, it's calling you, it's telling you, please eat me, listen. It's still sizzling, so we need to wait a little bit. But I'll give you some ideas. What you can do, you can put some nice buffalo mozzarella on top and melt it if you want. You can put some nice mortadella, some prosciutto, salami. You can put some pickles, like eggplant, pickled eggplants. Go crazy. Put tapenade, put olives, anything. It's delicious. Oh my God, they smell like garlic. Can you believe it? Huh? We have to slice. Come on, let's slice one. And let's do the crunchy test. Let's see how crunchy they are. Ready? Listen to this. That's the sound. Listen. Yeah. Yes, baby. Listen. Yes. What I want you to see is that it is crunchy, but it's also moist inside. Crunchy and moist at the same time, guys. Right? This is what you want. Beautiful. Look at that. Crunchy, moist, perfection. This is what we want to have, guys. This is the garlic bread done the Italian way. With the ciabatta bread, moisture, crunch, oil, garlic, happiness. This is what life is all about, guys. This is what life is all about. Happiness and simplicity. Keep it simple, you never go wrong. This is the best time of the video recipe. Time to eat. Let's see if it's crunchy and moist at the same time. Ready? Super crunchy, but moist too. Because a beautiful ciabatta in the middle, it's nice and moist. Oh my God, I did use lots of garlic. Yum. The extra virgin olive oil, it's a lot better than butter. It's beautiful, it's oily, it gives the beautiful flavors of the Mediterranean flavors. That's what you want on this, okay? Butter is more French. You use baguette, then why do you serve garlic bread in Italian restaurants if you use baguette and butter? This is the real Italian way. So from now on, if you want to serve garlic bread, you make it this way. Oh yeah, especially if you charge $10 for one, I want extra virgin olive oil on top. Oh yeah. Italian bruschetta all'olio. Guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. An orchestra of happiness.